In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your screen time on your iPhone. So let's go to our settings, and you want to scroll down until you find screen time. So this is it. This will show you the average that you're on your phone during the day, downtime, but we can also go ahead and go and see where it says see all app and website activity. And what this is going to do is it's going to show you the most used apps that you have on your phone, and it's going to show you the actual duration of time that you've been using it. So what we can do is go ahead and click on that, and it's going to show us specifically for certain apps how much time we spend on it every single day. It'll give you an average, but that's it. You can go back to here, and you can just go through a week or a day. So I can switch this back. As you see, I've been on my phone 2 hours and 49 minutes today. And then you can go through your week, and it will average out what you spend your time on your phone with. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to really go through and see what apps you use the most on certain days and really get an idea of your total screen times on your iPhone.